Cellular portion of the blood. Erythrocytes, red blood cells. Biconcave disc and non-nucleated. Hemoglobin, major protein contents. Connective tissue functions. Establishing a structural framework for the body. Transporting fluids and dissolved material from one region of the body to another. Providing protection for delicate organs. Supporting, surrounding, and interconnecting other tissue types. Storing energy reserves. Defending the body from invasion of microorganisms. Simple columnar epithelium is found in the lining of the stomach, intestinal tract, uterine tubes, and many ducts. Stratified columnar epithelium tissue providing protection along portions of the pharynx, urethra, and anus. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium or pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, portion of the respiratory tract that contains a specialized epithelium. Transitional epithelia lines the renal pelvis, the uterus, and the urinary bladder. When looking at the foot, the heel is the calcaneus, C-A-L-C-A-N-E-U-S. Then the talus, T-A-L-U-S. Then the navicular, N-A-V-I-C-U-L-A-R. The cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D. The three bones off by itself are the cuneiforms, C-U-N-E-I-F-O-R-M-S. Then the five metatarsals and the phalanges. A monocyte is the one that looks like a kidney bean. Multipolar neuron has dendrites and an axon. Has enough polars to kind of look like a flower. Unipolar neurons. No flower looking. Bipolar neurons also has the dendrites and the axon. Basophil, grainy-like substance, stains blue. Lymphocytes has one dot right in the middle of it. Eosinophil is bilobed. Neutrophil has 3 or more nuclear lobes. Megakaryocyte and thrombocytes. Thrombocytes have clotting factor. They're formed from the megakaryocytes and they're non-nucleated. 9-regional system has the right and left hypochondriac. It has the right and left lumbar, the umbilical, the epigastric, and the hypogastric. Quadrant system. Right upper quadrant, left lower quadrant. Right lower quadrant, left upper quadrant. If you're looking at somebody from the side and you dissect them in half, the back half of them is the coronal plane, or posterior. If you're looking at that same person cut in half, and the front of the coronal plane is anterior. If somebody is facing you with their palm side out in the anatomical position, cutting them up and down creates a mid-sagittal plane. Cutting them side to side creates a transverse plane. Below the transverse plane is inferior. Above the transverse plane is superior.